Hi, this is Marlo with Soundoftristate, our Concord location, and today we did install the backup camera video recording system using the Rydeen R10X SPL. This is a rear camera and a front camera that gives you recording ability, basically DVR while you're driving, so you'll get to record while you're driving front and back, and it also functions as a rear camera input on it as well. So this is a Cadillac, and we were fortunate to keep everything nice and clean. This is the look of it, and as you can see, that's the front camera that's on there now, and the shroud, the factory shroud and everything is still intact. So I'm gonna start her up here. And when you first start it up, you have the option of doing front camera, rear camera, or what we call split screen. This is currently in split screen mode right now. So you're gonna get the front of the camera there, and that's the back camera. Both of them are being shown. And if we wanted to change that, we just simply swipe over. And this is our rear camera, backup camera that's recording right now. And then this is the front camera that is actually recording right now. As you can see, that's the front camera. It does function as a normal mirror, so if you do want to turn off the video image on it, just simply press the middle button there, and now we have the it takes away the video and we're looking at it as a regular camera. So this is made by Rydeen. It is a very nice piece, fairly new. We're excited to bring them on and to install it. So it's a great solution if you're looking to do a rear camera video recording system all in one. Very clean. You get to keep the factory screen. Of course, it doesn't go through that or to any degree. Doesn't mess up your warranty or anything like that as well. Feel free to check us out. Soundoftristate Concord. Thanks.